So first, what I'm going to start off doing is I'm going to create a triangle in the center of my head. This is going to be the base of my parts, so I really want to make sure this is clean and precise for the rest of my parts. Now that I've got everything clean, I am going to draw a line from the corner of the triangle to right behind my ear on both sides of my head, and this is where I will finish creating my major section for my little triangle part. So now that I've finished my major parting and I feel like all my lines are clean, I'm going to go in and start doing my smaller parts. Now, to be honest, you don't have to do your parts the exact way that I do just because there's so many different ways and you can get so creative with your parts, but I do this way every single time that I do this hairstyle. So it's kind of like a routine for me, but you can do it however you want. I also didn't speed this section up, that way it's easier to see the exact way that I make my own parts. Everybody knows that I always use Eco Styler gel, so now I'm going to go to each section of the part and I'm going to put some gel at the root so that everything looks nice and clean, and I'm just going to tie each part up with an elastic rubber band. So with the twisties, I twist the two in the front and connect it with the part right behind the front two. And then for the ones on the side, I twist the bottom one closest to my ear and I connect it with the one right above it, and I do that on both sides of my head. Now that I finish all of my parting, I'm going to put all of my hair up into a ponytail and create a braid out of the excess hair. So now moving on to the ponytail, it's really easy and sometimes it seems a little difficult, but it's actually very simple. All you do is you take the hair and you pin it into where the rubber band is and the elastic rubber band at the bottom, and then you're going to twist the hair around all the way till you get to the top, and you're just going to keep pulling tighter on the hair. That way your ponytail doesn't look so bulky and it looks nice and sleek. Now, once I get all the way to the top, I'm going to take a piece of the hair and I'm going to wrap it around the rubber band of the ponytail so I can hide the tracks and all the messiness that comes with the ponytail. Okay, so sis, you can do your edges however you want, but everybody knows that I have to do my edges and slay my edges with every hairstyle that I do. What I do want to recommend is that if you plan on doing your edges with this hairstyle, pull your edges out before you wrap your hair up in the elastic rubber bands, because once they're in there, it's going to be really hard to get them out, and if you're trying to brush them out or pull them out, you're going to break your hair and damage your hair. So make sure that you have your edges out before you tie your hair up. And this is the final look. So if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more.